Working on the LTZ impala today. What we doing today, man?
Oh, you know, we changing out the purge valve. Changing out the purge valve. I think this shit might be a little too long.
Yeah, you think?
I think so. There's the purge valve right there. Yeah, that's the perfect size, I think. Yeah. Good to be safe than sorry, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now it's tightening it so it can.
Oh, you had it the wrong way. Hopefully you didn't crack nothing.
Nah, it went the wrong way. There.
Sounded like you cracked it loose.
Yeah,
so the bolt should be loose now.
Yeah. No, just. Well, those things come off first, actually. So I don't even know why we're doing that. And they just on both sides, right? It should have just came undone.
This is like the ring that locks it in place. Oh, you squeeze it on both sides. Like that on the other side as well. Like that.
Really?
Yeah, like. And I think it will pop out. This is the new one right here. We had to like reassemble these like. It was like all taken apart. We had to install these like rubber grommets under here. And then slide the screw in. And there's like a little backing plate that goes right here. But we got it all ready to be installed now.